Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add automatic pages into an InDesign document. So I already have a document created here. I just created dummy text, so we have about 5 pages here. So what if you wanted to add a page number? So instead of manually selecting your type tool and then drawing a text box, then writing page 1, placing it somewhere here, then coming down here to do the same thing for page 2 and the rest. How do we create page numbers automatically? I'm going to delete that. All you have to do is make sure that you're in typography, and if once your workspace is in typography, come to pages. Under pages you're going to see this a parent, right? So it's like our master pages. Double click on it and it's going to take you to this place. This is our master page, so whatever you put on your master page is going to reflect on every single page in your document. So it is on this page that we are going to write to put our page number, right? So select your type tool and then go to whatever position in your document that you want your page to be. I want mine to be in the middle. I'm just going to draw a text box and I'll write page 1. I'm going to modify it a bit by making it to be centralized. Yeah, I'll make it centralized. Once you've written page 1, you're going to select this number 1, then go to, I think, objects, go to type, go to insert special character, go to markers, and then go to current page number. So once you do that, this number 1 will turn to A, right? So once it turns to A, you can just go back to pages, then double click on this number 1 here. So you can now see that the page number there is page 1, and if I scroll down you can see page 2, you can see page 3, you can see page 4 and page 5. And guess what, if I create a brand new page, if I go to pages, I click on this plus icon, a brand new page has been created. You can see it has a page number. Now let's select the last page and create a brand and click on the plus. You can see the brand new page 7. I create another one, page 8, and so on and so forth, right? So that's how to add automatic page numbers right here in InDesign. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.